In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy account name. If you've updated your personal or business details and want your GoDaddy account to reflect that, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in a clear, simple way. We'll sign in, open your account settings, update your full name, and save the change so it shows up everywhere your profile appears. First, open your web browser and head over to the GoDaddy website. On the homepage, click Sign In and enter your account email and password. Make sure you're using a secure device and a trusted network. If you use two-step verification, just follow the on-screen prompts so you can access your account dashboard. Once you're in, you'll be ready to make the change. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it to open the menu, then select Account Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps all the personal information tied to your account. If you manage multiple products or domains, don't worry, you're in the right place to update your profile details regardless of what you own. By the way, since we're working on the website today, I've placed a direct link to the GoDaddy site at the very top of the description to get you there quickly. If you need it, pause the video, use that link, and then come back to continue. Inside Account Settings, choose My Profile. Here, find the Full Name section. Click into it and type your first name and last name exactly how you want them to appear. Double check for spelling and capitalization, especially if this name represents your brand or will be visible to clients. Keep it clean and professional. Avoid emojis or unusual characters that might not display correctly across GoDaddy services. When you're happy with your changes, click Update to save. You should see a brief confirmation or a visual indication that the update was successful. From now on, your GoDaddy account will display the new name wherever your profile appears. If it doesn't show immediately, give it a moment, refresh the page, or sign out and sign back in to see the update reflected across your dashboard and services. That's the entire process. We logged in, opened account settings, went to my profile, edited the full name fields, and saved the change. It's quick, secure, and easy to repeat anytime your details evolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your GoDaddy account up to date. If you found this useful, feel free to revisit that link at the top of the description to access GoDaddy directly, and I'll see you in the next video.